doing anything on the smoker, but every now and then you got to have sides with what you make. So what I'm going to show you right now is how you make a gluten-free, dairy-free Spanish rice. And it is so delicious. You got to make it. It's become our favorite. And check it out. Here we go. Okay, here we go for some gluten-free, dairy-free Spanish rice. We got diced onions, garlic, cumin, rotel, chicken broth, olive oil, chili powder, and sea salt. And of course, we cannot forget the rice. And here's 1 cup of rice. And that's it. Let's get to cooking. Okay, we start by adding our 2 tablespoons of oil, our chopped onions and garlic, and our 1 cup of rice. I like to use basmati rice. It's one of our favorite. You can use whatever rice you want, except mint rice. And then you just mix it around, try to get the oil covered on the rice the best you can. And I'm on a medium-high heat. You just keep stirring it, let it rest, stir it, let it rest. What you want to do is just brown the rice a little bit, just like if you're making Spanish rice out of a box. If you've never done that, then you just look at the rice. You can kind of tell some of the little rice kernels are turning brown. You don't want them all brown, but you got to get them browned. So this isn't quite ready yet. I don't know, it might take about 5 minutes, maybe 8 minutes. See, it's getting a little more brown. See there, see more of the kernels are, little rice are brown. So when it gets about like that, then we're going to add our chicken stock, and be sure to pour it very slow. It will steam and bubble up. Okay, and then you get it all in, and next we're going to add our cumin. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of red chili powder. We like ours a little spicy, so we do put 2, and the recipe also lists 2. If you don't want it spicy, you don't even have to add them. Add your salt. And then your can of rotel, because your rotel has green chili, so the rotel is actually a little spicy. So if you don't want very spicy, just leave the red chili powder out. If you want it a little spicy, just add to your liking. This is a good and spicy one right here. Just combine it all in. And you want to bring it back to a boil. And once you got it bubbling like that, you can put the lid on it and reduce it down to a simmer. I normally will set my kitchen timer at about 18 minutes. I do try to check it after about 13 to 15 minutes. And this one right here, this took 15 minutes. And see how it is? It's all nice. The water is all soaked in. It's all good to go. And that looked beautiful. Oh. Okay, so here's my rice with the cheese skirt tacos. This rice goes great with all Mexican food, so give it a try. I'm sure you will enjoy it as much as we do.